Hey, so I've just checked into my hotel at the Novotel Convention Centre in Melbourne, and the wireless radiation levels, just checking those out, and they're not too bad. They're actually pretty good. I chose this hotel over another one nearby. The other hotel has Vodafone mobile phone antennas on every floor of the building, which was confirmed by looking at rfnsa.com.au, and I also contacted Vodafone to confirm that. They actually said, good news, it's on every floor, and I said, thank you very much, I won't stay there. So they had Vodafone and Wi-Fi, so this was a better alternative for where I needed to be. The Wi-Fi modems are mounted out in the hallway, which isn't great, but it's better than being in the room. So happy with that, and I'm fairly happy with the levels. On the bed over here, we've got some levels. I don't really particularly want to sleep in them, not terrible levels. Maximum I've got there, 697, that's pretty high, but not higher than most people's homes. I'd like that to be done in the slight levels, which would be 10 or under. So what I've done is actually put the Safe Protect EMF Protect king size bed sheet on top of the Hotel Doona, and I'm going to sleep under that tonight. I can take the excess up the top and put that over my head lightly if I want extra protection for my head, but I'll be pretty happy with 90% of my body covered. And these